Welcome to today's edition of the Art to Science Online. So Mrs. Moore, who's going to wave, there we go, is one of the camp favorite activity leaders, and she's got some assistants with her today that I'm sure she'll introduce when it's her turn. But she's going to be doing a few different activities with you. So you're going to need some supplies, so if you don't have those, go ahead and get those now. You're going to need things to mix in, bowls, cups, or even just baggies, things to mix with, so spoons, sticks, your hands, and then you're going to need water, glue, borax that you might have picked up from us, or you might just have laundry detergent, and then cornstarch. And basically using just those four ingredients, cornstarch, borax, glue, and water, you are going to make a few different things with Mrs. Moore today. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to her.
Hi guys, can everyone hear me? Good, great. Okay, well, my name is Miss Moore. If you remember me, I've worked at the camp for a couple years now. This is my lovely niece, Blair. Say hi.
Hi.
This is my son, Kane.
Hi.
And this is my best friend and teaching buddy, Bridget. Hi. So what we're gonna do today is we are going to make two different things using, like Michael said, we're gonna be using borax, glue, warm water, and cornstarch. We're also going to be adding food coloring. You don't need food coloring for this activity, but if you want to, you can. Make it fun, yeah. You can also add different things like glitter, some different glitter and some different things that you might have at home. We have like some cotton balls, like little puff balls and stuff like that. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what do we have to make? What are our ingredients? So Blair, what do you have? What's that called?
Pink.
Food coloring. So if you have food coloring, what color do you have?
Blue.
Okay, what is this?
Blue.
So you're going to need glue. You are going to need two different mixing vessels. So we have 2 cups or bowls. You're going to need, I suggest two different spoons, just because the glue kind of sticks to the one and you don't want the borax to get involved just yet. We also have borax, which is right here. I put it in a cup so it's easier for them to do. And then you also have your measuring spoons and cups. It's really important to get some measurements right. You can also experiment with different measurements. You can add a little bit more glue, a little bit more water, see what consistency comes out. Maybe it'll be thicker, maybe it'll do other things you have no idea about. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to start with this cup. So let's put this cup on the side. You are going to do half a teaspoon of borax. So, Bridget, would you like helping the kids while I get the warm water ready?
Okay, so here's what's going to happen. You have to make sure that you fill up right to the top of the measuring stone.
You mean that?
Yeah, so we're going to dip it in. Kane, can you get a nice big scoop? Nice. Okay, now you're going to shake it out a little bit over the cup and make sure that it's full. So we're going to take a little bit more, Kane, okay? Bada bing, bada boom. Then go like that. Okay, and whoop, hold on. Put it right in.
And put it right in that
Put it
first
in the
cup.
Nice. Give it a little shake, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna pass it over to Blair.
I know it's Blair's
Blair,
turn.
you got it. Make sure that it's full all the way to the top. Oh, and then do a little shake, shake. Make sure we don't have too much. And we're gonna go like this. All right, 4 years in. Shake it, okay?
Okay, good job. Now we're going to be done with the borax for now, so we can put that to the side. Now what we're going to do in that same cup with the borax, we are going to add our half cup of warm water. I already have warm water ready for the kids. So just like you did earlier, make sure that it's level, okay? So is that enough water?
No.
Look at it. Is that enough, Kane?
Mm-mm.
Is it all the way to the top? No, so you got to make sure and get it all the way to the top. See? Okay, I want you to try it. There you go. Now carefully pour it in there. Make sure you use warm water. That's really important because cold water won't dissolve the borax. So you need it dissolved. So Kane, I want you to start stirring. So hold it with this hand. So then Blair, you're gonna do the same. Use one spoon.
Hold the cup with this
Hold it
hand,
with
and then
this
you're
hand,
gonna stir it a
and
little
then
bit,
stir it a
okay?
little bit, okay? You want to try and get it so the borax dissolves completely. So it might take a few minutes.
Be gentle with it though, so you don't splash the water
Mhm.
everywhere.
Also, you know what? Why don't we add our color to this? Do you think that would work or should we wait?
Yeah.
You want to do it now?
Let's see. Let's try.
Let's see. Let's try and add our borax, our food coloring first, and then see if that works.
Can we do it?
So let's see. We only want to do a few, or else it's going to be.
Oh.
Anyway, so we're going to turn it. You want to squeeze it? Just squeeze it gently because you don't know how many.
So while they're paused real quick, I'll just remind you that you can ask questions in the chat, whether you're watching on YouTube or Zoom. And then at different points on Zoom anyway, we'll pause and ask if people want to unmute to ask questions. But feel free to type in if you have questions.
Yes, I love questions. Ask me any questions you want. Okay, are you ready? Now you're going to squeeze it just a few times.
We did 4 drops.
4. So count. Ready? 3, 4. Good job. Okay, now stir it up a little bit.
We're going to hold it with this hand cane.
That's okay. All right, so maybe stir for about a minute or 2. I think that should be pretty good.
Stop blue.
Okay, now what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna put your spoon on the side, or you're gonna put your cups on the side right here.
Take our. Oh, leave that spoon alone.
Okay, now in your separate container, you are going to put half cup glue, half cup warm water. I'm gonna start with the warm water, just because then the glue won't stick to the cup on the bottom.
So
So
get
Kane, get half a cup of warm water.
Yeah, don't put it right in
Good
here.
job. There you go.
There we go.
Younger kids, I suggest paper towels, just because it's easier cleanup. And then Blair can do it all by herself. Good job. Whoops, that's okay. All right, pour it in there. Wow, fancy, fancy. Okay, now you're going to add your half cup of glue. I found out if you use
And
white glue or the clear glue, just use about a fourth teaspoon of borax with your water. And if you use the white glue, use about half cup. It makes it just a little bit thicker. But depending on what you use, I guess you can experiment. Okay, so half cup. So Kane, you're gonna hold it and I'm gonna put the glue in for you, okay?
Whoa.
I know, isn't that cool?
Uh-huh.
So you're gonna get a half cup.
So it has to go all the way to the top.
All the way to the tippy top.
That's
Here we go. Here we go.
That's
your
a-
Maybe just a little bit more. Okay. Now you are going to dump that in your half cup water cup. And then Kane, you're going to use this hand and then Bridget's going to help hold your cup. Bridget's going to help you scoop it out, okay?
Yeah. Right there. Okay, you gotta hold it real tight. Then we're gonna go. Whoop. Stand by. I'm coming around. All right, we gotta scoop it all out. With all the glue.
All right, Blair, are you ready? Because we're going to put your glue in there.
Bada bing, bada boom. Right. Oh, yep.
All right, Kane, you're going to stir your glue in your water,
Okay,
okay?
so we're gonna give this to B.
All right, you
All right.
ready?
Then you're gonna stir gently, okay?
Whoa.
No.
That was that.
It wasn't me farting?
No, it was
Oh,
that.
okay. All right,
I
Blair.
did it.
Okay, keep stirring,
keep stirring.
Kane. You want to make sure your glue is kind of all dissolved in there, so keep stirring, okay?
Okay. Oh, make sure you get it in the cup. All right, gonna hold it right there while I do some scooping.
Okay, let's see. Good job. Yeah, keep stirring, okay?
Look at that, Elsa.
Wow. So look, see?
Uh-huh.
Gotta keep stirring, okay?
All right, so B, now you're gonna stir, okay?
Good.
Stir away.
Stir it
Okay,
away.
so while they're stirring, yeah. So I'm just gonna go over the list of what we've done so far. We did, in the first cup, we did half teaspoon borax with half a cup of warm water. Then in the glue cup, we did half cup glue and half cup warm water. Now what you're gonna do, you're going to pour your,
Elsa, watch this.
wow, you can do a bowl, cool.
I can do it.
You're going to pour your borax solution into your glue and stir. Now it looks like we might have an issue with that. It looks like it's gonna be a little bit kind of close to the top. So I think we're still gonna do it. Did the dog fart?
Probably.
Okay, we got dog farts over here. Sorry, guys.
He's sniffing his butt. He's sniffing his butt, which means he probably did.
Ooh, you know what we can use, guys?
What?
We can use a Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
Do you want to try that? Okay,
Yeah.
so if your cups are too small, why don't you go ahead and get like a Ziploc bag, like a gallon size? So I'm gonna go get it. Count how long it takes me. Ready?
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Got 'em. Okay,
11 seconds.
so we're going to pour the glue mixture in here. So Kane, I want you to pour this in here for me, please. There you go. And we're gonna give mommy that. Thank you. And then Blair, you're gonna do the same thing, okay? You're gonna pour.
And then we'll have to pour.
Yeah.
All right, now you take that. Let's take
Then
this
you're
out.
going to
Hold on.
pour the borax solution
And then
into
pour
the
this.
bag.
You mean that?
And then close it and start mixing with
Mhm.
your hands on the outside. All right, ready, Blair? Okay, start mixing it.
Oh, I'm trying to get the air out. Hold on, Kane, all right? Let me just get the air out.
You mean like this?
Yep, and then use your fingers down
Okay,
here.
so you're gonna be very careful with this, and you're gonna use your hands like this.
There you go, Blair. Good job. All right, keep mixing, keep mixing. What does it feel like?
It feels like slime.
It feels like slime.
Be careful. You don't, here, see. Kane, we're gonna
Whoa,
It feels like slime.
it
do it like
does.
this, so that
And I got it all over me.
That's okay. That's why we have baby wipes, right?
Can I do it by myself?
Yep, you can do it by yourself. Sure. Do you want me to hold it while you do it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Like that. Like that.
add more borax.
Like that. Can I do the slime now?
All right, let me see. Okay, what I think it's gonna turn out good. So what I want you guys to do, if you put it in the cup, it's gonna kind of stick to the sides. Gotcha. If I used a cup, like in my classroom, we used cups and it was a little bit easier. I used a little bit bigger cups and then we could actually dump it out and then it was like the water would go through our hands. But this one, we're going to scoop it the solid and we're gonna roll it into a ball and there'll be excess water at the bottom. So what's gonna happen is Blair, Kane, you wanna get dirty?
No.
No? Yeah,
I
let's get dirty.
wanna be dirty.
You wanna be dirty? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so open your bag, Kane. See if we can open it.
I opened my bag.
Okay, let's open your bag.
Whoa, it's all slimy.
Okay. I'm gonna take these paper towels away because they're gonna get really messy. Okay, Blair, I want you to reach in and get your slime. Kane, let's see if yours is ready. Okay, it looks like they're ready. You ready? Okay, here you go. Okay, now you're gonna massage it and kind of play with it. Yep, massage it.
You got it, Pete?
Keep it on the table. Good job.
This. And then you kind of do some of this, okay? You kind of play with it like that.
See? Wow. Is that cool? Yep, and you just kind of massage it and play with it for a little bit. Mix it with your hands. If you wanted to add glitter or anything like
I
that,
want to
if you wanted to add any accessories, do that maybe in the glue part. It looks like we put the food coloring in the borax side with the water and it turned out pretty well. Kind of curious what would happen if you put it on the glue side. I'm wondering if it would stay the same or not.
Sorry, I took your slime.
All right, so this first one we did was slime. It was borax, water, food coloring. Borax? Why do I keep saying borax?
I don't know.
Thank you, Bridget. Borax. I know it's borax. Oh my goodness. So borax, glue, and water. The next thing we're gonna make is we're gonna use the same ingredients but add cornstarch. Wow. What Cam's doing?
Oh, he's making an ice cream sundae.
So what we're gonna do is, oh, don't eat it. What we're gonna do is now we are going to just put this to the side. This will actually keep for about a week or two, I think, if you put it in a little baggie. But other than that, you can keep playing with it. Maybe hold it up and drop it.
Yeah.
It's kind of bouncy, huh? That goes into our next thing that we're gonna make. We're gonna see if by adding cornstarch, if we could make bouncy balls. Do you guys want to make bouncy balls? Yes. Yeah, what about you? Yeah, okay, let's put our slime to the side.
Bring to the slime.
There you go, Assistant Bridget.
Thank you.
And now we're gonna try and make bouncy balls.
Where's over there?
Okay, what color do you want, Kane?
I want
Oh,
blue.
what color do you want, Blair?
Pink.
Blue and
Shocker.
pink again. Okay, so
Just like I had.
we're gonna pause just for a second, if that's okay, and get ready.
So this is a
Wait.
good time for anybody to ask questions.
Okay. Do you want me to go? Am I being recorded?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna get ready so then people can ask questions if they want, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's get ready.
Yeah, so if anybody watching has any questions about the slime, so that was borax, glue, and water. There are actually a variety of recipes that you can find online for slime. Some don't use borax.
Shaving cream. We did a lot of shaving cream ones at school.
Shaving cream.
That's more like fluffy slime. Okay.
You can also use contact solution. I've heard.
Contact solution.
You're right.
Work.
Good.
Smart thinking.
Okay. Can you put down paper towels,
See
darling?
any questions on YouTube?
That's the thing that I can do. All right. B, got a placemat? There you go. Candy cane, got a placemat? There you go.
I'm not candy cane. I'm a cake.
I call you candy cane every day. Got that.
We need two. We need. I think
You
we'll put
don't
cups
know.
in those styrofoam thing.
How about this cane?
The last one.
How about this, Elson?
Oh, you gotta
No,
put the
we can
plastic
leave it right there,
placemat
okay?
down.
And then. I think I need two. All
Two
right.
cups,
blue
two
on it.
cups, 2 cups.
I think we're ready.
I don't have blue.
Oh, okay. Hey, welcome back. Let me get this out of the way just real fast. There we go. Okay, so guys, what did we make?
I make pink slime.
We made pink and
Blue.
blue slime. So what did we say we were gonna add? Do you guys know what this is?
Yes.
What is that?
I don't
Can
know.
you touch it? What does it feel like?
It feels like snow.
It feels like snow.
Yeah.
Well, this is cornstarch.
I like it though.
I use this sometimes when I cook or bake to
Can
thicken
I touch it again?
to thicken some ingredients. I
Can
use
touch it again?
I used it last week because I was making something in my instant. Okay. Oh my
Can I
goodness.
touch it?
Okay,
on
we're done
myself?
touching. Yep, and I made it and it thickens my sauce. So maybe if we use cornstarch, we can thicken our slime recipe and maybe we can make bouncy
Okay,
balls.
okay.
Okay, the
Okay.
first, okay, we're gonna just clean it up later. Okay, spoons. First one, we're going to add half a cup of water.
Okay.
Don't put your slime on a paper towel.
Bridget,
It sticks.
can you add 1 tablespoon of borax?
Yes, I can do that. Where's the tablespoon? In your hand?
Alright.
That's
So in one thing, you're gonna do 1 tablespoon borax. Did I say it right?
borax.
Borax.
B-O-R-A-X.
1 tablespoon borax and half cup warm water. Warm water dissolves borax. A little bit better.
Nailed it. There we go. All right. Put it in.
Ah, that's hot.
It needs to be warm.
Oh, yeah, I know this, Bridget.
Tip it over.
Hold on, Remy.
Sorry, I put it outside because they look like they were
Can
gonna
I do that by
be near
myself?
each other. Yeah, you can. Hold on, King. Now be
Can
able
I
to
do
do it.
it by myself? You already did it, King. Well, I'm gonna do it by
Okay,
myself.
first let
Not
me do it, and then here. Take it.
Here, let me do it, and then Kane, you can do it by yourself. There we go. Here, remember.
Remember,
it's
we
gotta
gotta
be-
make sure.
Oh,
Yeah,
There you go. Okay, put it in your first cup.
Can I do
Oh, Timber.
Mhm. Let's give it to Kane.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
mine?
Yeah, do it by yourself. Put it in this cup right here.
Make sure you got. Oh, go like this. Right. You gotta make sure it's full. Go like
Yeah,
that.
come on. Okay, the next step is half a cup of water in the borax, warm water. So,
I'll
there you go. Yep, here you go. It's kind of hot, so I don't want you to burn yourself. Put it in here. And then what did we do with the first cup, guys? Did we stir it? Okay, you're gonna stir this until it dissolves. That means, what does dissolve mean?
Slime. Go away.
Yeah. Means to go away or you can't see it anymore. It's a little hot, so be careful. Right there. So make sure it's not as cloudy, so keep stirring it.
Okay. Now you stir.
How about this, Alton?
Well, not just with one, okay? All right, keep stirring. Now, in that second cup, so we're done with the borax. Borax.
Hey, I'm not saying anything.
I'm not gonna stop saying it the way I want to say it, just because it's what I say.
Like supposedly.
Borax.
And then
Like an axe, like
Like an
chop with an axe. Okay.
still stirring.
Still
Like a
stirring. Good
roaring
job.
axe.
But I don't want to stirring.
You gotta get going, or else it's not gonna be a bouncy
Oh,
ball.
Can
You just gonna
No,
have
we
a.
gotta keep stirring.
Yeah.
Why don't you sing your ABCs and then we'll stop?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Nice.
It's okay. It's okay. Keep stirring.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna put that to the side.
All right.
Now, in their separate cup, you're only going to need
Can you fix
two.
my chair?
Oh, yes, George.
What is it? Oh.
You're only gonna
Hold on,
need
buddy.
2 tablespoons of glue, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then whatever color glitter, if you have that, you can add that too. So thank you. It just depends on what you want to add. So try different things. Okay, we're gonna do the cornstarch first because I only have 1 tablespoon and it's gonna get messy. So Claire, you're gonna need 2 of these. Okay,
And then the separate. Oh, that's a hefty scoop.
so that's how many?
Yeah.
So 1, and tap it on the side. Brother's awake, but he's just gonna have to wait. He'll be fine. 2. He's fine.
I don't see Lauren.
No,
No,
Nolan's
it's
fine.
fine.
No, Nolan's fine. Okay, Kane, it's your turn. We're just gonna help you. You need 2 of those. No,
I did it by myself.
Oh, wait, hold on. We gotta make sure let's give it.
he likes hanging out in the crib for a while.
Okay, there we got 1.
The other one, he's waking up. He's almost a year old. He's fine.
I'm gonna get another one. We gotta make. Hold on. Oh, that's a big boy. Okay. Yep. Oh, hold on. Time out.
You're on camera, dear. You're on camera. Get the finger in the.
Wait, time out. Oh, it's not something to play in. Oh, I gotta get a little more. Yeah, we're just gonna.
Okay,
wait,
ready,
wait,
Blair? Now it's your turn. Okay, you're gonna do 1.
Hold on, let's see.
Oh my gosh. You're
Hey, everybody makes mistakes, guys. Everybody makes mistakes, including Miss Moore.
Remember that one time we tried to make what did I try and make?
I saw that.
Bath bombs, and I didn't melt the coconut oil because I didn't microwave, but then Michael showed me a way where you just do it with your hands and then you can put it on your body. So it was easy. Okay, you need 1 of these. So do 1 scoop. See, rereading directions always helps.
See what you're gonna do?
So just 1 of
Put your
those.
finger on top, and then you go across. So, you go butting, and then you go like this. Ooh, just like that.
Glitter. No glitter.
Now shake it off.
Sparkly diamonds. I don't have any of that. Oops. Oh, that's right.
Okay.
Okay, Blair, do 1.
One of those.
Hey.
Oh,
Oh, sorry, babe.
Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, put it in there. Oh, yep,
Be
okay,
careful.
well,
I said
we need
No, we only
1.
need one. Whoop. Big
Yeah,
one in there.
Okay, now we're gonna need 2 of these. So, Blair. Oh my gosh.
Everything's okay.
We're good. We're good. Oh, I'm good. Okay, Kane, we're gonna do 2 of these. Hold your tablespoon like this. No, 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 no. Hold it like this. Hold it like this. Hold it up. Hold it up.
Cooper Elliott.
Lauren is flaggy.
Nolan's okay.
Cooper Elliott.
Okay, pour that in. Sweating. Okay, 1 more. Here, hold it right there. 1 more, okay? What's wrong? This is very hard. Okay, pour it in there.
I wanna be done.
You want to be done?
No.
We're almost done. These are our bouncy balls. We're gonna take them outside.
Uh,
Okay, now you stir that.
Stir.
Okay,
in
now,
my finger.
okay, right here, Blair. Hold it right there. No, hold this tablespoon. Yep.
Oh, I got it
Want me to
by
help one?
myself.
Okay, good job. Okay, dump it in there. It's gonna be a little. Is it tricky to stir, Bridget?
Just a smidge.
Okay, hold it right there.
Supposed to be 1 or 2 of these.
I can do
Okay, you
it.
can do it all by yourself. Okay. All right, so it might be a little hard to stir it first, probably because the cornstarch is that thickener. Uh-oh.
Is this one that might be easier to mix in a baggie?
Ooh, possibly. What do you think, Bridget? Okay, well,
What is happening?
I don't know. We're just all the glue that you gave me is going in here. Look at that, Blair. Wow.
Can I do it?
Well, I think I gave you enough, but maybe just a little bit. Okay, ready? Woo! Cool. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's okay. Now, Blair, you need to stir yours a little bit. Okay.
Stir, stir, stir.
I hear mine.
No, it's not too bad.
It's because trying to break up all the cornstarch.
Oh, keep stirring. You might have issues, yeah, doing the what was I gonna say? Breaking up the little clumps, probably.
Why is my slime in there?
What?
Why is that?
Okay. Now we're gonna add our colors to our glue mixture this time. Last time we added it to the borax,
I'm proud you're learning.
and now I keep saying borax. Okay, Kane, do you want to do blue?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Count. 1, 2,
I can open mine.
4.
Right, stir. Cooper, Elliot, you hush.
Okay, ready?
I can do it, Mama.
Oh, we gotta stir some more.
Four.
See how
Okay,
there's still white
there you
in
go.
there? We
Okay,
gotta
keep
stir.
stirring. You're gonna stir until you can't see any more white.
I can see red.
So keep stirring. You don't want to see any white.
I'm doing really good on myself.
With this one, it looks like that there's not going to be a lot, so we can actually make it in the cup. But we're going to let it rest for a little bit, about 30 seconds. We're not even going to touch it and stir it, and then we're going to use a fork to take it out, and then we're going to mold it into that ball. So we're just going to, okay, good.
Saudi rim.
Okay, we're going to get a fork.
I'm all done too.
You know, let me see. Let's make sure we get all.
Ow, it stabbed me.
The fork.
Yes.
All right, let's see. We got all the little bits and pieces at the bottom. We got all the. Oh, we just got a little more. Do a
Okay.
little bit. Oops, sorry.
Okay, so we're almost done. Can you
Get
see
back
them?
up here.
Where's the one in a bit? Okay.
I know you want to see Nolan. I do too. We'll get them up after we make our bouncy balls, okay? All right, you are then going to pour your borax. It's okay. Pour your borax. Borax! Ugh! You're going to pour your glue mixture into the borax mixture. So Bridget and I are gonna do this part just because we want it all out, and you guys are gonna watch. Okay, so look in this cup and watch what happens.
Hey, scoot your hiney over.
Ready?
Scoot your hiney over. Just a smidge.
Wait, what's happening?
It's going to turn pink.
You think it's gonna turn pink? Kane, what do you think's gonna happen when we put this together?
Blue.
What else do you think's gonna happen?
What is it? Just gonna be mushy?
Is it gonna be mushy? Is it gonna be hard like a rock? Is it gonna smell like scrambled eggs?
Yeah.
Is it going to blow up like a balloon?
Yeah.
My goodness.
All the things.
What else do you think
It's
it's
gonna
gonna
be
do?
I think
Eggs
it's
smelling.
going to turn into sky.
It's gonna turn into a sky? Wow.
For flying me.
Whoa.
And you know what I'm going to do?
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to test out the sky and fly in the sky.
No
Me
way.
too.
Wow.
No, you're going to be.
So if you can
sad
kind of
because
see,
I'm
it's kind of like going right on the top of that mixture. And then you're going to take it with a fork, take it out, and you're gonna shape it into a ball. So you're gonna kind of roll it. So guys, watch me. Kane, Blair,
Watch mom.
Hey.
Hey, watch mom.
You're gonna roll it into a ball. You're gonna take your palm and you're gonna try and roll it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Blair, I want you to get yours out with the fork. Kane, I want to get yours out with the fork, but we can't do it over the paper towel or it'll stick.
Well,
Okay,
mine's
put it on the table. Okay, now roll it with your hands. So pick it up and roll it.
So we're like this. And then we're gonna
Good job. Keep rolling it. You want to roll it, make it into a ball.
I
It-
can't roll mine off.
You can't roll it up.
You don't need the fork anymore, bud. Let go of the fork. He's attached to that fork.
You might need to help rolling it into a
Now you're gonna
ball.
roll it like this, okay? Just gonna go like this. All right, can you do that? Can you keep rolling it?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Mine keeps sliding. Mine.
It looks like we might need to let them set for a little bit.
Yeah.
They're a little sticky and cornstarchy. Maybe. What do you think? Should we mix some more borax into it?
Yes.
Okay.
No. I don't want to.
I think Bridget and I are gonna make a little bit more borax into our.
You can just try mixing it in the water solution a little bit too.
I was gonna say put it back in the water. Yeah, come on. Hey, how about, well, she's gonna do that method. I'm gonna do this method and we're gonna see which one works better.
Okay, so what I did with the pink one, I just put borax into it, just this borax.
Hey, you know what?
I put it in there and now Bridget's going to put hers back in the water solution. So we're gonna see which one holds up more.
We're joining the Blue Man group this fall. Ken and I are. Cheesy dad jokes coming at you.
I'm gonna let you know, mine is actually really gritty, so I don't think mine might work. I'm not sure yet, so I'm just gonna kind of keep.
I know your hands are dirty, buddy. Okay, just give us a minute.
It's okay if your hands are dirty. It's science.
It's science. You get dirty with science.
You don't like it.
Can you tell who's the clean one out of this? High
I
five.
want to do that. Check out. I want to check out.
Okay,
Now,
Now, guys, ready? okay, let's see if this works. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
There was a little bounce to that. Maybe let me put my screen down just a little bit. Ready? There's a little. Wow, did you see that? Kane, ready? Watch. That made a pretty darn good bouncy ball. Whoa. Pretty cool. So my method pretty much worked. What about your method, Bridget?
It's a little wet.
Okay.
So
I know. Hold on. Do you want to try and bounce it and see if it works? Not too bad.
I think it needs to dry out. And once it dries out a little bit, it'll be good because it has potential. It has potential. It's just wet.
Yeah, mine has potential too. Well, you know what? I think we're gonna let these dry out for a little bit, and then we'll go test them out a little bit later on the sidewalk and see if they bounce.
Can I just touch it?
You can touch it real quick. It's very sticky. So we're gonna leave them to dry and see what happens. So that was our experiment with borax,
I don't have it.
water, glue, and then we did cornstarch in one of them to see what would happen, and we ended up kind of like with a more rubbery, thicker kind of consistency than slime.
I wonder if there's.
You don't want to?
All right, can you guys say bye and thanks for watching?
Bye. Thanks for watching.